Yeah, it is. Rescott. Good evening, everyone. We are back with more Team Hospital. It doesn't matter what you on. You don't want this. But I want to finish it at some point. Okay, so last time game glitched for some reason. I was able to make it work after the stream. And I tested just now. It was starting the game properly. I hope it will work. So last time I added peace and leave command. But first of all, I wanted to change it to game clock instead of just duration in seconds. And pretty much it. Yep. Everything else was working. It shouldn't get any like additional checks. It just changes, waits, changes back, and it should be fine. Where is my StreamerBot for this stuff? So to change this to game clock, I actually need an address of a game clock. I never actually used it anywhere yet. But I have this address already in the Ghidra. So let me put it here. And Ghidra, will you start? And there it is. Now open the project. Okay. Oh, do I have it in bookmarks? Clock. It's a wrong clock. Can I find any quick stage? Mayor? Am I in a loop? Oh, maybe I have it in a game structure. Nope. It's Windows stuff. Okay, then let's go to the Quake stager. It should be in game clock somewhere, I think. Yep, there is. So game clock. Can I add you to the bookmarks? Game clock. So yeah, now we got you here. So this is the address. We need go here. Global offset. Grab this. Which place? Oh, it's above everything because or not. Wait a minute. I copied the whole address. I don't need 4. So 2525 A B C D. How you managed to get here? D must be here. E4 here. And it's a double word. Let me... Can I find use of it? Here. No. Apparently I need to go here. Where is this? Background. Java, where are you? So we got a bunch of stuff here. Move and double word. Okay, double word. So there is one thing I wanna check. So move. Any jumps? Just logically, it should be always positive. Jump carry. Okay, let's assume that this is an unsigned integer. You int, but can I use 32? Nope. Int. Yeah, you int 32. So we got it here only. Okay. Then just you int from hospital. Okay. So you int 32t. Game clock. What's wrong with you? Oh, no, I think fine. Now, where is my DLL main code. This must be here before isFox open and game clock before rooms. Like that. This should be fine. So here I'm setting time duration to 10. It's seconds, but game doesn't know what second means. As far as I remember, each day is the 50 clock cycles. We can check it in the debugger. So as I tried to fix the game last time, I turned on logs in DirectVnd here basically, and it showed me that game was trying to access the direct draw surface, which was not locked, and that was crashing the game. And this happens only with DXVND, so apparently it's a problem with this library. Not with the game, because game works fine without it. But they got a handy checkbox to ignore just check draw errors. It helped. Okay, I need an address. This one. So this is game clock. Label, game clock. Maybe existing or invalid. Wait a minute. Are you serious? Oh, yeah, there is already game clock. Huh, but it's 1 byte higher. And actually this should be correct one. The even number, not the odd. How I managed to get the wrong address. E4 8A 8. Huh. I copied the wrong address apparently. Okay, so we got label here already. That's good. If I will start the new game, it immediately crashed. Oh, stuck somehow. Debug string def win prog a. What? But it says running. Let me detach. We are off to a good start here. Up. Stop. Okay, so connect now and game clock. So already 2 ticks passed. So on the first speed, it ticks each second, basically. No. So 50 ticks. It's 32. Yeah, 2nd January. So 100 will be 64. You can see it changing the day. F 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila. So 50 ticks, it's 1 day. How long I need to keep this thing up? Mm, 5 days? Because when I did come on, 10 seconds here, 30 seconds here. So it's better to give a smallest value to the user. The smallest is a tick, so I can give the amount of ticks. Or I can give in game days, it will be 50 ticks. Just making the user count how many ticks it needs. It's a little bit annoying to the user. But give it the most precise is kind of better. But who in his right mind will like give not even amount of days in game, like 155 ticks, which is 2.5 days, basically. No, 125. So we can give in-game days. So duration of this can be like 5 days. Duration of this is 10 games, 10 days. And then here we need add another field. We need a header file for this. Header, okay. Is okay, game will be here. uint 32t pointer game clock. Now, constructor, set globals. This game clock uint32t pointer. So lp module. Why you don't give me the freaking argument first? Then global offset game clock. Need to rename you and you. Then we set it here. Let's grab this command. So we are setting this to 0. Then we need to grab game clock. uint32t equal game clock. No, I can just end game clock and add here this duration plus we need I think game manager will contain this. Or game. Yeah, we can. uint team x per day. 15. So can I do it like that? Duration, which size you get? Integer. Hello there, haven't been here in a while. Hello, Mini Bomba. Yep. Where was you? What is your excuse? Holiday and stuff. Okay, we will count it as a valid excuse. You can't argue with holidays. uint not plus ticks. We need to multiply. So like that, we will get the value of a game clock when we need to stop this nonsense. While end game clock greater than this game clock, we are just looping around with a delay. I will still use a delay so we don't tick every freaking nanosecond. I will just tick 1 second. duration will be in days. On the fastest, no busy waiting allowed. Yeah. Or this waiting will just overload everything. Just 1 day in game. How fast I can like go through this day? Where is the debugger? So highest speed. Go. Go. Not even a freaking second. Oh, no. About 1 second. On the fastest speed. So I think 1 second delay here is fine. And when this clock is higher than current, I mean when game clock became higher or equal this, we will drop old value back. Now we need to grab this logic and replace this logic with it. So then this should work also. Basically the same, just different constants are changing. If they are changing, they are not constant, of course. But I mean, game thinks that this is a constant because it's set only once at the start of the level. But I'm playing with it. So this should work. We can try it again. We need to build it. Change here. I made them. Where is No, actually, yesterday I was playing with sounds and I played Deja Vu sound, and as I expected, I got a copyright claim on the 15 seconds of my stream. I set it to erase the song from the stream. We will see what will happen. Unable to edit reward. Duplicate reward. What? Okay, delete them. Where is my duplicate? Ah, there it is. Okay. So we are enabling both of them. We will play with them. The copyright lawyers don't like fun. Yeah. Lawyers generally don't like fun. And now, where is my bot account for this stuff? Oh, I can I just use this? I'm lagging because of this. Nice. Access denied. You don't have permission. Are you making serious? Okay. Come on, start a freaking chat. So slow. Chrome, can you be a little bit faster today? Where is the pop-out chat? There is finally. So there is our chat. I need to detach you. It's still building. DLL. Okay, meanwhile, let me change the level because I need different level for this. Mouse, can you be with us today? Who will consume the most resources? Chrome with compilation process. None of them. Because I'm using Process Explorer. And I set priority to the background. Now, Chrome, yeah. Chrome I also need to. The most prioritized is OBS. So the most resources is for OBS. So we got this safe. Rolled by the operating system. Yeah, kinda. But just this. Creators of this laptop never thought that someone will try stream and play at the same time on this laptop. Because it wasn't meant for this. It's a freaking ultrabook for programmers and stuff. Like if I just write code without anything else here, it works fine. But stream, play, compile, and use Google Chrome. Yep. This poor laptop is eating pretty much. Come on, hardware monitor. So the poor temperature sensor is 70 degrees. All cores is 70. Even hard drive is 40. GPU is cooking. Not because it's inside the processor. Okay, so now we can inject our DLL, connect our server, and now we need to trigger our channel point. Now they all start pissing themselves. Should be at least. Waiting for message. Come on, message is coming. Yep, so let's start it.
Doctor required in GP's office.
Okay. And it's still going. How many days I said?
Doctor required in GP's office.
And if I will pause 10 days. Is 10 days? Nope. Which day it was when it started? Who remember? Okay, it's finished. Everything fine. Everyone is good. Now, next one is hardcore one. Is leave. Leave set for 5 days. So now it's 17, so 5 days is 22. 22nd. And they all leaving. And I think I broke the game. Yes. Well. Can I see the logs? What happened? That's the most annoying part of all of this. I can't catch properly errors right now. Oh, there is a log from the xvndem. Okay, nothing interesting. That's 70 megabytes. Let me turn off the freaking logging. It's also using a lot of resources. So I don't see the logging without extended modem. Modify. Logs. None, please. Okay, so what's happened? What's happened? Do I have a log file for the DLL? It's a debug version. No, fortunately. That's bad. Huh, strange. I created the sync, but I don't see it anywhere. There is a log. It's a log for the building. It's not what I need. Um, mm, that's bad. Let's try again. Um, this- okay, let's go here again. Inject. This will disable. So we got logs here. I hope we will see something. Ah, no, it's too small. Okay. That's waiting for the message. Okay, it's connected. Where is our leave command? Report is unavailable. Where is Q? Because it's failed, it never re-enabled the reward, unfortunately. So I have to do it manually now. Reject and unpause. Wow, what a lag. It's lagged so much, sorry. And it's still happening. What was that? Okay, are we good? Stable? So, everyone leaving? Is leaving? Basically everyone left, okay. And everything is back to normal. So this one is like one of glitch. It may happen, may not. That's annoying. So, what can I do with it? If I will place the pause, because I paused it last time. Ah, okay, so if this happens in the pause, apparently it glitches. Yeah, it will be another check which I need to add to every command, is to check if game is paused, because we cannot use anything when it's paused. Connection, come on, connect. Okay, so if I again we again get the same problem. Actually, I should be able to do it here without opening the freaking Chrome. Okay. So now we should be, yep. Okay, and everyone is leaving. But now it's still crashed. Huh. Strange. So sometimes it's working, sometimes it doesn't.
Staff announcement. Epidemic warning.
Message didn't come through, unfortunately. Server wasn't connected. Whoopsie. Now it's crashing every time. What can lead to this? Seconds. Leave set to 5. Just is this happening when it's trying to change back the value or just in the middle of the run? Now attach this, inject this, connected, go back. There's a chat. So, okay, they all leaving. And unhandled exception. Integer, division by 0. Ah. I think I know what's happening. At least I hope. Bubble overflow, where is it? Don't touch it right now. Where is the thing? So if we are reading this here. X. This. Jump lower. So 422. So we're getting here our value. Then we're comparing this to this and jumping. So our value in X. And here we are overwriting it. If we go here, okay, we will use this. Okay, it's not this then. There is on the second place. In a different function. So we're grabbing here to the X, comparing one to another. Where is the X also? Again, compare. I don't see how it can lead to division by 0. But just to be sure, I usually set this value not to 0, but to 1. This kind of stuff. Oh, nice. I placed breakpoints in the wrong command. Yay to me. Recompiling, okay. I need to stop debugging. It's it. And you're looking the wrong var in Hydra probably. Yes. You are absolutely right. And because of this, I looked, at vowel, but I need to look at this. Silly me. I'm glad I have you here to point this out. That's more like it. So let's open the old reference. We're getting this. Okay, so ECX. Left shift. Can it produce division by 0? I don't think so. This also different. Here we got sub x by ydx. Okay, no. Arithmetic right signed. Compare, no. Load effective address. It can lead to 0. Add. Compare. Okay, no. Next one. Yeah, x. No. This move sign extended here. No, it's to quadra subs are don't see. Yeah, the I move here. So compare move. Yes, I multiply. Okay. I division. But yes, yeah, x. How I division is working? Hello, 765. You came and you are out immediately. But unfortunately, this redeem is only for my wife. Ooh, is working, yeah. I didn't add a message to this redeem. I thought I added. There's nothing. I'm out. Reward. Yeah, there is a description says that it's limited to one person. And it's not you. If you want, I can make specific for you. So IDIV, how IDIV working? Assembler, IDIV. Sign division. With one operand signifies division IX. In our case, it will be YDX. But we got Y size, so this is not the case. Time to feed baby. Yeah, read it right after tapping. But it should refund you as far as I remember. Ah, no. Huh. Legs incoming. Where is the queue? Reject. Nope. Your points are not here. If do then break. Huh. I thought I said to refund it. But no. Where is the reward? Update redemption status. Cancelled. Should work. Okay, so this is not the case, I suppose. The CCX compare. No, jump. No. CCX compare. Like that, I don't see anything. But just in case, I will set it to 1 everywhere. So we don't have such problems. Let's test again. Oh, are you still here, game? No? Okay. Just possible that 0 is the amount of people after I'm calling this stuff and it breaks the game. Not the value of a variable which I'm changing. Okay, I need to enable it back. Unpause. Run. Let's try. Everyone leaving. Patients are leaving. Improve the hospital. And it's fine now. Everyone is back. Okay. Everyone who wanted left. Let's try again. Second attempt. Okay.
Doctor required an inflator room.
People are leaving again. Everything fine. Okay. So far so good. And we cleaned our hospital. Practically.
Epidemic over. Stand down.
Okay. 4 times in a row, everything works fine. Let's enable back peace and try it. Okay, can we see? Yeah, they are pissing themselves. Everywhere. Everyone. What a fun game. Okay, let's end it. So now let's try if the game is paused and I call this. What will happen? It's running. Okay, it's waiting. Now it should count 5 days. So 33. 33, it will be 2nd September. Are they pissing themselves? I don't see this. Ah, no, I see some of them. Ah, so people who are in the queue to the reception, they don't piss at all. They are not affected by like this stuff in the game. Okay, this one is waiting. Everything is fine. And now they all left. Voila. Command is ended. Okay. So this part is working. Nice. Now let me check everything else. First of all, where is my Git so I can commit everything? PowerShell. Git status modified. Okay, git commit. Change second to game clock. Now let me check everything. Close all. So we got disaster command. We are checking type, boiler down, boiler up, and it's setting to break down the boiler. And setting stuff. Then we got case vomit wave. Okay, we're setting pop-up, setting disaster duration, type, and reset disaster days. Then we need to have some duration. Yeah? No? Ah, no, duration is coming from here. So it's randomized. I think I made it the same as in game. Then disaster type, reset disaster days. Disaster is starting, so we need to make a while loop. And wait until disaster ends. While duration, okay. So what I did here, so vomit, set, reset, and this was while. So this part I only need for the vomit wave because I need to change the vomit limit back. When I'm breaking the boiler, it will reset itself. Okay. So after all of this, I need this if this type equal vomit wave. We need to while loop while type will not reset itself back. Set disaster type. Can I get disaster type? Uint 8 there. Game manager. Get disaster type. And we just return this. Do I have a problem with it? Because it should be... no, it's not supposed to be pointer. Are you winning? Yes, kinda. So I need to add it here. Set disaster type, get disaster type. Now, is everything fine? Yes. So while get disaster type, game manager, not equal none. It thinks I'm talking about VIP stage, but non disaster type. Doesn't have none. What? Good. Where is okay. So it should be like that. So this is the 0. Can I write it like that? Yes, because I want to be precise here. Disaster type non. We are again sleeping. This. So like that. Then after disaster type set to none, we need to swap limit back. We need to change this function and make it swap. Whoop. Why I have it here? So now swap is swap, and we need to return old one. So uint 80 old type is this, and then we are just getting like that, and return old type. So here I will have to set change to swap. Uint 8 the old type, and call this here with an old type. Reset disaster days. Why are you glitching? Is no member reset? Did I just... I forgot the semicolon. Classic. So we are setting back our old. And I managed to mess this up. I need not set type. I need swap vomit limit. So all of it is going back to set disaster. This also goes back. Okay, and this is coming back. So let's try and think for once. Vomit wave. So basically what vomit wave does is changing the vomit limit. So we are just doing it like that. And I need uint what? 16. Old vomit limit. Then we are setting you to this. And then we are setting you here back. That's what we're supposed to do. Then we need to rename you. So again, uint 16t old limit. Uint 16t new limit. This like that. But should work. And return old limit. And we need to return you. And replace you. Should be fine now. Yep. Come on. I named it correctly, I think. Swap. Then we are returning or I will wait for every disaster type, not only here. So I think, yeah, I will wait here for everything. Or not. Just when it should be count as done. It will unlock the command, so it's better to wait for everything. Okay, so we will wait until disaster is done. Then, if it was a vomit wave, we are changing the limit and returning true. So we don't need these comments anymore. Will it compile? Redefining previous definition. How? VIP H53. VIP. Should be completely different enum, you know? It doesn't like if I get the same names in the different enums. Are you serious right now? First of all, I forgot about this. Then You in 16 this. I need to dereference it. Cannot convert from you in 16 the pointer. Yeah. Okay. Now it's the same definition. Where I'm using none. All solution. Find all. So here I am specifically setting disaster type. Here, VIP stages, none. Okay. Disaster type. Okay, describe VIP. Interesting. Never thought about it, but let's Google. Just I thought that each enum can have the same values, but because they are kind of scoped, they're not supposed to clash. What the hell is this? It appears that the issue arises the definition enumerator constant.
Staff announcement. Incoming patients with baldness.
Hello, crazy Yahoo. Thank you for follow. What is the goal of this mod? Let me introduce you this thing. So, I hope you know what the Team Hospital is and what it's capable of. So, for example, you get a hospital and the cheeky viewer get a channel point, which called shake it gently. There it is. And if we will call it, it will trigger the earthquake in the game, which happens from time to time. Wait, commercial. 10 seconds.
Doctor required in GP's office.
Okay, I forgot one small thing to do, is to inject the DLL. Wait a second. Inject.
Doctor required in GP's
So,
office.
commercial should be gone. Can you go back 26 or start anew? I will start anew because I forgot to inject the DLL, which is responsible for everything. So my demo didn't work properly. Where is the shake? So if you played Team Hospital, which I hope you did, you know that there is like emergencies in the game, earthquakes, VIP can go to your hospital and other stuff. So here is a earthquake, which you can trigger using your channel points. As you can see, game is reacting to all of it. Let me drop this VIP. Next, VIP. Let me enable it. We got a VIP here, and you need to set a score. For example, 1. It's the lowest possible one. And voila, game triggers a VIP with a name of a user who triggered the VIP. Then, where is the VIP? VIP arrives, and you can see VIP got the name of a user. He, as usual,
Earthquake reported.
tours around.
Doctor required in GP's office.
That's so awesome with the Twitch. Yes,
Psychiatry, please.
I already tested it with a previous version. It's a upgraded version.
Important business.
Oh, important business. So how it's worked for you? Okay. So VIP will tour. It's a pretty long. Let me show you which I did just recently. For example, peace. Are we back? Back yet? Almost. Should be back. Okay, are we good? Should be fine. Just sometimes OBS is breaking on me for some reason. So peace is going. As you can see, the patients are starting pissing themselves all over the place. It will like 5 or 10 days in game, I said. I don't remember. And which I just tested and I finished it. It's a leave command. And everyone will just leave the hospital. That's kinda this. So the whole list of commands right now, it's breaking boiler, emergency, leave peace, 3 types of earthquakes, VIP, and vomit wave. So let me try an emergency. Emergency is a like complicated one. And game crashed. I need to test it. Welp. But in general, I hope you got the idea. Can you do something with rats? I didn't do anything with rats for now, but you can suggest something and I will think about it, because like I can find how to spawn rats, I think. It should be not so hard, but I want to finish this version with these commands and then extend it more if I will need it. And another thing I added into the game, but it's not like connected to any channel points, it's unlocking the camera in the game. So you can send a command and it will unlock the game. Oh, unlock the camera. Right. So let me go here. So in like normal game, the camera is limited, so you can go far away. Especially you can't see the place where the patient's spawning. They just come from the screen. But if I inject my script, it will call the command, special one. Come on. Where is this? I need to connect. Oh, it's connected. And now test trigger, and voila, camera is going through the whole map. So you can inspect everything on the map if you want it. Most of the map is actually empty, but if you want, you can look at it. Maybe I will be able to make zoom out function. I didn't try yet. I think it will be pretty hard for me, but I will see. Interesting. Why emergency was breaking stuff? Where is the emergency? There it is. Emergency. It's blocked because of this glitch. Strange. I need to check what's happening. Emergency is breaking stuff right now. Name emergency bonus. Wait a minute. I forgot. I was testing. I set the bonus to the minus value and it's breaking stuff apparently. Like whole mod works on the WebSocket. So you are sending commands from the WebSocket client. You can select any client of your liking. I'm using StreamerBot for it because I can read stuff from Twitch like that more easily. And basically each command got set of configs. You can change some settings, for example, how long something happening, the durations. In epidemic right now, I set hard-coded values for which disease patients will have and how many of them, but you can change it how you want. So basically there is a main code in the C# which generating commands, and this is basically config which executes the method. I am a PLC programmer. It's not the same, but I understand PLC. What is this? For industrial stuff. How it's PLC stands for what? Programmable logic controller. So you are programming the controllers. Okay. Let me test again the emergency. It should actually work fine. So I got an empty hospital. Whoop. Now inject DLL. And like my approach to this, I don't modify the game files. So you don't have to install anything if you want to use this mod. You just need to get the DLL, which I got in my repo. And you need to know how to inject it in the game. I also got video about it, how you can do it in Windows. And basically DLL starts a WebSocket server which listens for the commands. And there's a bunch of commands, like you can see source code in my repo also. So it manipulates memory of the running instance. It doesn't change game files. So you can just play your game normally if you not inject this DLL. So emergency, let me try. That's more in structured text or function block diagrams. Oh, interesting. Okay, emergency. Running emergency false. I still didn't finish it. One glitch I got with a Windows version is the mouse sometimes doesn't respond properly. 2 with a bloaty head. Why only 2? Amount 2, yes. So yeah, it's correct. So as you can see, there's nothing in the hospital, but I triggered the emergency and they will arrive and immediately leave, because if you don't have a room to cure them, they will just leave. And they are, oh, interesting. I can show you despawn of the patients. So there is a point on the map and they just despawn there. Whoop, 1 and 2. So if you're ever interested how patients are made in this game, they just pop out of the thin air. And another one is epidemic, actually. Epidemic is complicated stuff. You cannot trigger, like, I think you can, but it's not like not so easy. Where is my epidemic? There is no epidemic. Okay. So the logic of epidemic is when you have a several, like, specific amount of patients with the same disease with a contagious status. You can manipulate diseases and status to trigger epidemic, but I got with a different way to do this. I am just spawning 10 people with the same disease with a higher level of contagious, and after first of them passing the GP office, it starts the epidemic. If mouse will work, I can show you. Like here I get my GP offices. Now let me unlock the camera. Let's go to the point. So there is a point. Now we will spawn our... As you can see, they are
Doctor required in GP's office.
the same invisible people popping out. That's my code doing this. So there's 10 of them. They're coming in.
Doctor needed in Slack Tongue Clinic.
We need to wait until first of them
Doctor
will
required in
arrive.
GP's office.
I can move it in the queue, but it's not so easy. With my glitch.
Doctor, attend in
Come on.
psychiatry, please.
Where is the doctor?
Doctor required in GP's office.
Come here. So first of them come in, and now it should start the epidemic.
Staff announcement.
Yep.
Epidemic warning.
And there is your warning and epidemic. That's basically how it works. Right now it's targeted towards Twitch because I'm using channel rewards, and when you call the reward, it blocks it here, so you can't call several rewards of the same time at the same time. And after the thing is done in the game, it will unblock it here in the code. So after I receive a response from the server, it unpauses the reward. So now I need to finish the rest of them. And I need to understand why Yenams doesn't like the same name. I never... my flag... Following common convention, flag. Who does that? Interesting. Okay, so to just fix this for now, I can go through the whole code base. Yenama. Okay, this is unknown command. Disaster. No disaster. This VIP stage. No VIP. That's all. Now let's go to the none. While disaster type, no disaster. VIP stage, no VIP. And this should be fine right now. Okay, meanwhile, let's close everything and check. So, disaster. I made a disaster. Emergency. Emergency. How can I set emergency? So, emergency, unless skip counted, we are setting new emergency. Now, if I will make the same logic, I will need get emergency type. Not equal. I don't have emergency stages. Let's see. Hydra, where are you? Emergency. Let's see this. That's a control. Emergency load, emergency load. Let's go here. Emergency. Wait a minute. Emergency stage. Yeah, I got stages. I need enum for stages. So then we need emergency structure. That's not this. Time left. This one. Let's find use of this. And we should see all the values like that. Okay, while it's searching, let's make a enum emergency stage. It's uint 8. No emergency. Okay. If emergency stage is not 0, okay. We are setting this emergency skip do while. Here comparing with again 0 0. There is also 0 0 2. So 0 1 2 at least we got. There is a 1. So usually 1 is a notification. It's coming in with a 1. 2 is a emergency itself. But when there is a 3. Okay, let's check. Where is my debugger? Okay. What we got here? Hospital touch inject, and now I need what was it? Hosp data, where are you? Current dump, so we got the hospital data. Next, we need hosp data. Are you part of a forgot already. Game. No, hospital. Hospital data. This one. Emergency. So yeah, emergency is here. So hosp data. Emergency. Emergency data is 1D9. 1 BCD. So 489. And stage itself. Can you open the data for me? Emergency data. Stage is 9 itself. So counting from 0 as usual. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this value should be a stage with 1 byte. Okay, we are triggering emergency. This should fun 0. It's still 0. I don't see anything changing. Now it's 10. It's not a stage, it's amount of people. What the hell is wrong with my data? And how am I supposed to find it? No. Okay, so there's 2 people. It's the next value. 9, it's the time until the helicopter arrives. It's not a stage. So when this will be, yeah, less than 5, it will arrive. But then it's stuck on 3. They left. Okay, timer is coming. It's ticking down. Come on, 20. Come on, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Stage is 2. Now it's 1. How am I supposed to check this? And now it's 0. Oof. So it's coming from 10 to 0 with a stop at the 3. It's kind of strange. But we are basically interested in 0 people in the helicopter. So I can just attach myself to this property when helicopter is unloaded. But then someone can call a new emergency. Do I need to think to this time left? Okay, so we don't need these stages, they are strange. So while game manager, hospital, emergency, strange. Time left. While time is not 0 and stage, just timer will start only when you accept the emergency. And stage will not change until you accept emergency. So like that, while loop will break immediately. And there will be no point. Okay, let's try again. Emergency. So like that, this 0. And here I think this 4. Or how many? How many bytes is 16? So only 2. So this 2. So we got time left, 2 unknown bytes. Then we got bonus, which is 1000, I suppose. What is happening with my voice? So 03 E8. Yeah, it's 1000, it's our bonus. Then helicopter index is also these 2 values. Helicopter unload. This is a stage. Disease current count. Total count. Patient in hospital also 0. So I can just wait until this is 0 and then so basically while this is 0 we are looping with where is my chrono? Then we are again waiting, but for it to become non-zero. A little bit stupid, but it should work. And then when it's 0, it means basically we got the our fax. But let me check. Oop. So right now it's 0 and 0. Okay, I opened the freaking fax and nothing changed. Everything is as was. Voila, it changed. There is an amount of people in the helicopter. There is a kinda stage. There is our timer. So it coming down
Staff announcement. Incoming
to
page
3.
ahead.
It triggers this stuff. They are unloaded. So it's stuck on 3. If I will hurry up our timer. No. 3. No. Come on. 3, 2, 1. 2. And 1 is max. So stage 0. Okay, so I need to attach to the stage also. I can't. Disable. Everything okay. No. So quit the game, please. And game manager stage not equal 0. As soon as this happens, we will basically return true to the client. Okay, so far so good. And it should build. Mm. Come on, compile. Let me check. Meanwhile, what I need to do. So disaster seems fine. Emergency. Okay, we're testing, but it should be fine. Epidemic. Epidemic. I didn't finish it. I just create patients and that's all. Interesting. Can I somehow check the epidemic? Meanwhile, again. It's interesting. The stage is actually changing, but I can't find. No, there is a move. Oh, so changing of a stage happening not by decrementing stuff, but just reassigning every time. So there's a compare, okay, compare, okay. But here is the move, which is stage. We're setting it to 0. So here they assign 0 to this. Let's again compare to 0, compare to 1, compare to 2. 2, yeah. There's the 2 moves, which moved. Okay, here's the decrement. Interesting, why it's a char. Bivar equal, so bivar. Bivar 1. So if I will change type to uint 8. 8. Oh no, it's not int, it's a byte, yes. But it's okay, let's use uint 8 in this case. So it understands that this is actually a number, not a char. Just it tries to cast it to char for some reason. Uint 8. Why are you still trying to cast it to char. So it's a old page. If time equals 0 and time is time left. If time left is more than 0, decrement, set it back. If time 0, stage plus FF. Plus minus 1. Interesting. If I will just make it int 8. Come on. Will it understand that this is a -1 actually now? It doesn't want to. Just it's actually -1 if you will use signed numbers. So stage is decremented only if time is 0. Here at least. Then there must be another? No. Oh yes. Yeah. They both should be true. If time is 0. So subsample. Yeah, it's stopping the sound of a ticking clock. Where is another move? It's here. But how we are getting to the freaking value 3? It's interesting. I cannot open the file. Yes, because I didn't stop the game completely. Now it's done. Okay. This should build right now. Okay. This is working. Epidemic. Just again, I cannot unblock this. reward until this is done, because you can't run several at the same time. Of course, I can again move this logic onto the client, so you will have to decide yourself how you want to limit the stuff. You can basically use cooldowns for the rewards, and not use a pause. But still, I need to prevent running several. So even if you will run several commands, it will not run all of them. But maybe I will do it later. But now I need to understand how can I check for the epidemic. Do you have any data about it? Okay, we got epidemic. This inspector object, find patients count, time left. So I can basically look for the timer. So I need again start the game and find all of this data. Welp. Let's start. So let's go here. Inject you. Touch a debugger. Hosp data. Low here. Now. Where is my data? No, this one. Okay, apparently I closed it. Was that and do I have an epidemic? Yes. So epidemic is 201. 201. It's easier to do like that. Copy. 201. It starts from df. Inspector object index. Okay. Hosp data. Just to verify 201. Yeah, the F0 Putin. The correct one. So let's see. This is the object. This is the fine port. Then patience, time, outcome, inspector stage, disease previous, stage, and timer. Timer is the byte. Why so small? Okay, let's unlock the camera. Cool. They are here. It will not reflect on this file. Oh, they're coming in.
Doctor, attend in the scanner room, please. Doctor needed in Slack Tongue Clinic. Doctor required in GP's office.
So this one is coming. Of course, he's going into the office where there's no freaking doctor. Okay, so far so good. We don't have anything.
Staff announcement.
And we got
Warning.
epidemic warning. So where is again data window? Why it's always hiding from me? Okay. So inspector object is the same. Fine. Will be changed later. Patient count. Oh, it's a D. Yeah. So 13 of them. Wow. It's more than I spawned. This time left, it doesn't go anywhere until we open time left, outcome, specter stage, disease. Okay. Stage is 0. Timer is also 0. So we are waiting until timer will start. Okay, I opened this. Stage didn't change. We got a lot of people. Voila. Oh, I accidentally accepted the fine. Sheesh. That's not what I wanted.
Doctor required in GP's
So the
office.
new pack is coming. No. Sorry. Where is my pupil? Come on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, they are coming in again.
Doctor, attend in the scanner room, please. Doctor,
So we
attend in
got
psychiatry, please.
people coming in, and this is coming up. And 2, 4. So yeah. This is a patient count. Okay, let's get a new one. And we got an epidemic. Yep. Nope. Hey.
A VIP is currently visiting.
Huh. I need to wait for the new pack
Doctor, attend
to
in the
get to
scanner
the
room,
GP
please.
office. Come on.
Doctor, attend in the scanner room, please.
And there is this. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I accidentally declared an epidemic. So if I will attempt to cure, we are getting the timer. So time left is 6, 7, outcome 8, inspector, disease, previous stage 1. So time left and stage. I can attach just to the timer. Like I did with disaster. No. Emergency. So let's copy this just here. And we will change to epidemic. We are waiting until timer is set. Then we are waiting until timer is 0 and stage is also 0. So this is the stage 1.
Nurse required in pharmacy.
So okay, we got this. And yeah, classic behavior of people in the hospital when there's a epidemic. They refuse to go into their workplace. Usually. Oh, no, she's there. So one is the stage and next is the timer also byte. Okay. So it's different value. Okay. Some of them are still in the GP office. Okay. And yeah, if you don't cure people, they can contagious, like they can spread their disease to other patients, even with a different disease. As you can see, there's clearly a person who is not got an invisible disease at the start, but it got contagious.
Nurse required in pharmacy.
Come on. We will not be able to finish them in time. Like that. Of course, I can just adjust the timer. This one. Yep. This should be enough. Now they get 2 more people sick with their disease. Third one. Shit. I should vaccinate all of them, or it will never end. They made such a wonderful logic in this game for their time. There's so much stuff happening at the same time. Okay, come on. Ah, another one contagious. Can you stop getting sick? Is there one contained? Okay, so for now I saw only 2 stages, basically 0 and 1. Someone died. Welp. Come on, people. Cure yourself faster.
Nurse required in ward.
So many of them. Oh, one of them died. Oh, news of epidemic. Oh shit, I forgot to look at the timer. So still. Ah, so timer is up, stage is 0. Oh no, oh 765, you are still here. Did you feed the baby? So yeah, timer is up. Stage is 0. And Spectre is 3. Oh, what's happened with the timer? It went back up for some reason. Ah, the hell? Okay.
Epidemic contained.
And stage is 0 now. But timer is still here. We got fined to hell and back. Okay, 30k. So, we will attach it apparently to the timer and stage hero. Should work. There's a code. And we will return true. Okay. Should compile. Pretty easy. Mm-hmm. So epidemic, we did it. Liver, I already did. Peace also. Quake. So. We are replacing nuke Quake, unsetting the previous one. Quake next. Okay. I basically can swap you like that. Okay, and then how we will check? We also got stages with a Quake, yep. So Quake is not the part of a hospital data. Quake. Severity. There must be stages somewhere. Do while true. Game. Okay. I think I will do it next time. I have to finish it now. So, as usual, thank you everyone who joined us. I will see you all on the next week. We will continue. So, have a good rest of your day. Have a good rest of your evening. Have a good night, 765. Go to sleep if you can. Bye-bye.